So we've been working on a project for the Euro Electroactive Polymer Challenge 2017. The challenge involved building a novel device using electroactive polymers.
So we fabricated this prototype of a Dielectric Elastomer Actuators driven laser pointing device, and we called it DEAs because it reminded us of something.
This specific device can be used to point at things, obviously, or to play with your cat, or cats. But starting from this first concept device, we are planning to develop new interesting applications,
such as an eye tracking control laser pointing device for people with locked-in syndromes, such as ALS. And we are also planning to replace the laser with imaging components to develop novel machine vision systems combining DEAs and computer vision control algorithms.
We have fabricated several prototypes, developing the electronics and going through many iterations to improve the reliability and performance of our system.
We then developed two different control strategies, using a custom-made joystick and using a lip motion sensor for gesture-controlled operations.
Due to the individually controllable, multi-segment approach to our actuator design, the laser can be made to rotate around two axes in a range of 20 degrees. We tested it over short and longer distances.
The multi-segment actuator shows a unique combination of lifelike and silent motion that makes it not only effective but also aesthetically appealing.
A final challenge was to design and manufacture a housing for the actuators and the electronics in a neat and elegant fashion. Thanks for watching.